Hello guys, good afternoon. I'm getting ready to go out. I'm going to the church today. I have headache because of the hot temperature a while ago when I went to go walking beside the beach. I have headache. I need to go to the church because tomorrow I have work. I cannot go to church tomorrow. That's why I need to go today. The weather is changed already. It's already very hot. 8 o'clock in the morning. To write in my prayer request. How are you everyone? Need to write in my prayer request. I go early because later I'm struggling to ride the bus. There's so many passengers. It's hard to get the bus. Today is 18. What's today? April 18. Last ano eh. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion. Of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.